trail out of Ohanabakash. A nice day for it. Not even raining, but the falls are roaring. Holly bee and fields of flowers. An astonishing array of flowers up here in the fog and the cold. It helps the flowers live on. There's a bunch of bees on the trail, all glistening because of the recent rain. They're like silver swords in Maui, except different leaves. The Grand Canyon. Oh, wait, no. Devil Slide. Definitely do not want to get too close to the edge up here. Just looks like the edge is ready to go at any moment. Our camp spot is a tad damp up here on Spring Creek Road. I got a lot of flame, got some smoke, but can't cook dogs with smoke. Holly bee's enjoying our lovely tarp setup, although it's not even raining anymore, but we didn't quite have all the tools to do it properly. Little old road / viewpoint across from our camp spot. Now that it's finally sunny, checking it out just in time for sunset. Unfortunately, it's gonna go behind a cloud bank before sunset hits. And that same viewpoint in the morning. Bye bye clouds. Hello Goat Rocks. And a little piece of Mount Adams. A lovely, although kind of cold morning. Partially melted out Tipsoo Lake. Still a lot of snow up here, around 4,000 feet. Mount Way to Noble Knob. Look at that beautiful view of clear Mount Rainier. No hat today. Sounds like there's a waterfall over there. And some great views from Noble Knob. Lots of lakes around. I don't know what they all are, but Lake George is down here. There it is. You can see the Tenaways. Stewart's got some new snow.